Halloween night can be very hectic. Taking all those ghouls and those ghosts, getting them into their costumes, taking them trick-or-treating. You want a nice, quick, easy dinner at home. And there's no better dinner than French fries and everything on a stick with your BakerStone griddle. So for this recipe, you'll need pre-cooked French fries, any meat you want on a stick, chicken breast, hot dogs, shrimp, cooked sausages, a little bit of oil, and any spices you want. Cajun spice, barbecue sauce, the list goes on. So we're going to take a bit of our oil and we're going to add it onto our French fries. We've taken these and we've just par-cooked them so that they cook a little bit faster, and you can make these ahead of time, even the night before. I'm going to season these with a little bit of pepper and a little bit of salt. We just want to move them around a little bit so they get nice and golden brown on all sides. While our French fries are cooking, now's the time to add anything else you want. Here I have some chicken breast. Put a touch more oil down. And I have some shrimp. Some pre-cooked sausages. And some hot dogs. Because who doesn't like hot dogs? Okay, our French fries are now done. Beautifully crisped up. We're going to take our potatoes and all of our other delicious foods on a stick. And here you have one of the quickest and easiest dinners on one of the busiest nights. Everything on a stick with homemade French fries on our BakerStone griddle. Serve this with any sauces, any spices you want, and dinner is served. Enjoy.